We'll guide you through how to install an add-on for Blender in the latest version. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender on your desktop. Once Blender is open, you need to go to the top menu and click on Edit. From there, select Preferences. This will open a new window where you'll see various options on the left-hand side. Click on Add-ons. This is where you can manage all your add-ons. Next, go to the top right of this window and click on the Install button. A file browser will pop up, allowing you to navigate to the location where you've saved the downloaded add-on file, typically a zip file. Select the zip file and click Install Add-on. Blender will automatically install the add-on, and you'll see it appear in the list of add-ons in the Preferences window. Make sure to tick the checkbox next to the add-on to enable it. You should see a message indicating the add-on has been activated successfully. If you want to keep this add-on enabled every time you open Blender, click on Save Preferences at the bottom left of the Preferences window. This ensures the add-on is enabled by default in future sessions. Now, you can close the Preferences window and start using the new features that the add-on provides. It's always a good idea to check if the add-on you installed has any specific instructions or settings that you might want to configure. Some add-ons come with additional options that can enhance your Blender experience even further. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.